Welcome friends to another edition of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. We have in one of earlier videos, which is the link of which is available in the description below, looked at the round function. Now there are many ways in which Excel can round a number depending on your particular use. We will now discuss on the various rounding functions in a series of sessions like what we did for the conditional formatting. We'll start with the basics: the round down, and the round up. Round rounds a number in the normal way. Round down rounds a number down to the nearest specified place. Round up rounds a number up to the nearest specified place. Give an example here. Then the formula syntax. The syntax is round the number or the digits number. Let us, we can type it here straight away, like 1234.567 to, let's say, 2 digits gives 1234.57. To make it easier for understanding, what we do is we put the arguments in column C and D. The number is 1234.567. Number of decimals is 2. The formula now becomes, write a number here, we write here C3 to the number of decimal places D3. So 1234.57 is the answer when we round off 1234.567 to 2 decimal places. Make this 1, it is 0.6, 1234.6. If it is 0, it's 1235. If it is minus 1, we have seen it is 1230. Minus 2 makes it 1200, and so on and so forth. Now we copy this to, let us make it even better. Let us copy this number itself. So when I change this number 1234.45, all these three changes, the number of arguments also, let us copy this. So we can see at a glance what happens when the various arguments are changed. Now the formula of course should be different. This will be round down, put a tab, the number is C4, the number of digits is D4. Again round up, the number is C5, the number of digits is 2. So what happens when you press enter here? This is rounded up to the nearest 2 digits, becomes 1300. We'll come back to original 0, all 3 numbers. The round of 1234.45, round in the normal way it is 1234. Round down is same as the normal way, it is 1234. Round up makes it the highest number, next higher number, it is 1235. If it is 1 digit, you see now round and round up are same. If it is 2, round and round down are same. This all depends on the number which you are rounding off here. 3, of course, all are same because the basic number is the same here. If we go to minus 1, if I have this number as, let us say, 1254, then for rounding off to the left of decimal place, round and round down are same, make it minus 2. Then round and round up are same because 1254 round off gives 1300. When you round down, this gives 1200. When you round up, which is the same as round, it gives 1300. What happens when the numbers are negative? The basic number, when it is negative, let us make it back to the original number, minus 3. So let's make this number as minus 1. So minus 1 rounded off to 3 different places, all the numbers are same. It is if it is two decimal places, round and round down are same. You see what happens is that when we round off a decimal place, it goes to round and round down are same. Round up makes it 1255. When you go for rounding off to the left of decimal place, it's 1250, in which round and round down are same. Round and round up are now same, not round down. Now let us see how we can use this practically in our routine works. Let us say, you need to know which quarter a particular date falls in. Let us say date is 13/3/1970. This is March, so it falls in the first quarter. So how do you say Excel to bring out which quarter it falls in? You just ask which month this falls in first. So 13/3 is in, the month is extracted from the date, which becomes 3. In case you don't know, you can extract the year out of this date, 1970. You can extract the day out of this, is 13th. So you want to know which quarter the particular month falls in. So you take out first the month. This comes in 3. So the first quarter means you divide this by number of the number 3, which gives which quarter this falls in. This falls in 1. Fine. Now when I make this, let us say 17th April, 1.333. So which quarter this falls in? This falls in quarter 2. So you round up this number to decimal places. This gives quarter 2. So if it is 26/5, this is fourth quarter. This is 13/7. This falls in the third quarter. 39 falls in third quarter. The next day 110 falls in the fourth quarter. This is how you can extract which quarter a particular month falls in. This is one of the uses of the roundup function. I'll leave you to your imagination to see where else you can use this. In the next section, we will see yet other rounding functions of int, trunk, the M-round, floor and ceiling. Till that time, hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. This is the silk route to excel at work. Please share this with your friends and colleagues to help them and you excel at work. Thanks for watching.